Hey, good morning, my friends. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa, and lots to talk about, so let's get to it weather-wise. If you have any travel questions, definitely make sure you chime in and ask, and I'll try to answer those for you. High temperatures today, near record high temperatures. The record highs are in the upper 50s to low 60s. This is the forecast high temperature from a computer model that I like at this kind of perspective. And you're looking at about 55 to 58 degrees from Grand Rapids to Midland to Alpena, south and east. So 55 to 60 in this region, about 50-ish in this region, and then upper 40s Traverse City and upper 30s across the UP. And I think this is probably a couple of degrees cool. So I could see some 58s, 59s, maybe even 60 in there, depending on how long we hold on to the sunshine. We will have some sunshine today, and then a quick hitting rain and possible snow. Snow is looking more likely. All right, so let's get into it. Let's look at this computer model. This is what we call the GFS, Global Forecast System. It's the National Weather Service's long-range model. So we're starting at overnight tonight, and should be dry weather. And then as we go into tomorrow, we'll be mild again, and we will probably have a couple of rain showers tomorrow. But focus your attention down here. This is a developing low pressure center. That's why I always say March is the wacky month weather-wise. Okay, this is Tuesday at noon. Let me see if I can get this a little bit better perspective for you. Okay, Tuesday at noon, low pressure developing in Indiana. Here's generally the rain-snow line, and so you can see rain developing Tuesday morning. 1 o'clock Tuesday afternoon, the low pressure center gets stronger. You see all the pressure lines around it. Yes, Brian, I'm sorry. You had me until I said snow, right? Hey, we got to realize it is March, right? We know that even if we have a warmer than normal March, which I think we probably will when we all work out the math in the end, we know we're going to have a couple of snows, and we know that March is a snow bomb possibility always, because the amount of moisture is going up, but it's just a question of, is it cold enough for snow? So here is 1 o'clock on Thursday afternoon, and look at the area of snow developing. And I always want to show you the comparison from the current run to the run 6 hours before. So you can see when we're starting to get consistent. 6 hours before. Now this is for the same time period, for 1 o'clock Thursday. 6 hours before, and the current. Pretty close. See that center? About the same spot. Maybe about 10 or 20 miles a little warmer. Okay? Then we go into Thursday, 7 p.m. The low pressure center strong over near Lake Erie. The wind's picking up out of the north. Tara, we're getting to that, how much snow. A little bit early, but I'm going to show you something if you don't take it as real consistent just yet. So that's Thursday evening. We're changing over to snow, and that's midnight or 1 o'clock Friday morning. Strong low, snow, wind, cold, and then Friday morning, 7 o'clock, and Friday afternoon. Gene says, get the snow out of here. I like that. So it's a quick hitter. It's a Thursday afternoon through sunrise Friday type deal. All right? Now, let's look at what I shouldn't show you just yet. Okay, so this is with that big asterisk, okay? I shouldn't show you this yet, but I want to give you a feel for the type of system this could be. The models are not consistent with how much, and not consistent with exactly where, but I want to warn you that somewhere in lower Michigan, Thursday afternoon through Friday morning could get March snowy, which means the big, heavy, wet flakes that come down fast. Okay, so I don't want you to be surprised. So here is the GFS total snowfall forecast through 7 a.m. Thursday, nothing going on. By 1 p.m. Thursday, by 7 p.m. Thursday. Larry, I can't hear you when you point the camera at you. Yeah, we're working on that. I'm going to get myself a microphone so it'll be better audio. Something changed with Facebook Lives, and the one camera works better than the other for some reason. Okay, and then we go to 1 a.m. Friday, and then we go to 7 a.m. Friday when it's basically over. And you're saying, holy cow, does that say 11, 12 inches? Yes, it does. Again, do not take this as exact amounts. And let's look at the run 6 hours before. Still the same idea, different area, a little bit farther north. So the point being here is, and some of this will melt. Tim Binns can't hear me when I say the word. You probably couldn't hear that either, right? Okay, so the point being is we have the potential for a quick hitting, accumulating snow Thursday night, Thursday afternoon, Thursday night. I will start to follow that very closely for you and fine tune that for you. You keep updated on that. But for today, enjoy sunshine and temperatures near 60 degrees. It's going to be a very spring-like day. All right? So, sorry I had to ruin your day talking about snow, but there it is, and I will let you know more about this tomorrow. Take care. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Have yourself a great